This just dropped and it's a big deal.
So Meta's new model doesn't just write code, it runs the app, looks at the screen, finds what's broken, and repairs its own work. Today, I'm walking you through every demo they published and what it means if you build things. Muse Spark 1.1 comes out of Meta Superintelligence Labs, and it's aimed squarely at agentic work, multimodal from the ground up. It understands code, interfaces, screenshots, and video, and it operates your computer across applications. Start with the context. 1 million tokens actively managed, so the model decides what stays in working memory. Entire code bases and hour-long workflows fit in a single session. Tool use is zero shot. Hand it a tool it has never seen, an MCP server or a custom skill, and it generalizes on the spot. No fine-tuning round trip. First demo, a real coding task in OpenCode from empty folder to verified app.
Let me put this into plain English.
The brief is a chat web app. It plans the build, scaffolds the project, wires Meta's models into the backend, and boots the first version. Then, instead of trusting its own code, it opens the running app and captures screenshots of the interface. Automated visual QA pointed at itself. The screenshots surface real defects, a missing sidebar icon, syntax highlighting you can't read, exactly what a human reviewer would catch. Mid-test, the API drops out, the model notices and quietly ships a fallback path so the user never hits a dead end. A final visual pass, then it reports back. Planned, built, inspected, repaired, and verified all in one loop. Second demo, no tidy prompt this time. The task hides inside a group chat, and then the situation changes mid-run. It reads the thread, works out that someone needs barbecue catering, and extracts the date, the head count, and the dietary constraints. Then it researches vendors, websites, menus, opening hours, locations. It builds a short list of places that can actually deliver. Outreach happens over Instagram DMs, real conversations with real businesses, quotes included. One vendor declines, another confirms. It places the order with the full details. And here's the part that matters. A guest drops out in the chat while the order is in flight. The model catches it and renegotiates with the vendor unprompted. New headcount, updated total, confirmed. That's context management in the wild. Third demo. Meta pointed the model at its own performance. It stands up an evaluation pipeline on its own. 20 tasks, 3 reasoning levels, and open source framework, all configured by the model. Smoke test first, then the full run. It monitors the jobs and pulls the results together. And it finishes by building a dashboard. Pass rates against token spend, plus every agent trajectory, inspectable step by step.
Whoever built this, full respect.
The launch partners aren't hedging. Replit calls it a complete agentic foundation. Klein highlights the economics for real coding workloads, and Box puts it level with the frontier. Right now, it's in public preview on the Meta Model API, and it drives the thinking mode at meta.ai. It ships as a drop-in package, so existing SDKs pick it up with minimal changes. And one more thing, Muse Spark is coming to ApexAPI soon. The same key you already use, one bill, right next to every other model. Keep an eye on apexapi.dev.
I'm building Apex API so you can use any model from one place. Link below.
If you build with models, subscribe. I cover every drop like this and what it actually means for your stack.